I am pleased to join you all today here in the Ningning Solar Rooftop Power Facility. It's an initiative that is a monumental one as it lights up homes and the path forward to the country's energy transition. Solaris and Raymulan Lands have done something quite remarkable. They adopt renewable technology innovations right here on the rooftops of Filipino families here in Naik. Halos 2,000 tahanan ang kasama sa proyektong ito. Bawat isa sa kanila ay pinagkukunan ng malinis na enerhiya dahil sa mga solar panel na nakalagay sa kanilang mga bubong. I believe that this community in Naik is just the beginning. Ladies and gentlemen, I am truly excited by what the Ningning project shows about what the future can be. Sa pamilyang naninirahan dito, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Kayo ang punot dulo ng proyektong ito. Ang inyong mga tahanan ay bahagi ng isang pagsisikap upang bumuo ng mas maliwanag na kinabukasan at mas malinis na kapaligiran.